So the next question that is asked is major rivers. So idla paarthina again from North India to South India they are doing it. Indus, Ganges, Brahmaputra, Narmada, Tapti, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. These are all the rivers that are asked. We can see how easily we can draw it because everywhere you will get the rivers, but as students what is expected of you adu vandu ungalku easy ah theriyum. So let's get started with the rivers. So first let us go with Indus river. So Indus river vandu actually it has got 5 tributaries, but let us draw at least one tributary or two. Okay, ingenda ungalku and the 5 tributaries varum, so you can just draw like this. So easy way to draw it is this. So first get started from here, just draw this main one. Okay, so after you have drawn this, just add the other 4 tributaries. Oru kaiyoda outstretched palm irukla, so indha madiri da and the river oda formation, so remember it that way. So this is river Indus. Next is river Ganges. Again river Ganges varaiche nariya tributaries irukum, adu eppadi easy ah varayanonu paakalam. So the main one you have to draw. Get started from here. Nepal ku next aarambenga. Question mark irukla, you have to draw like a question mark. So this is the basic shape that you have to draw. Then from here you have to draw a lot of small things. Idu da delta abdinu. Okay, so other important tributaries that you have to mark is first panniyachu ipo parunga question mark shape la purinjudha enadhu question mark nu. So this is the thing. So next you have to draw another tributary. You just join it here. Then in the side oru tree oda branches la varumla andha madri, and inga oru tributary irukku which is important, so you can just draw that. That is river Kosi. Neenga as students, even if you draw this much they'll give, or if you want to be more specific you can add one more and do like this. So basically number, how did we get started? We started with this main line. Main first vara vendidi in the shape like a question mark. You bring it in India and then go another one to Bangladesh and draw all the small tributaries. Then after that you come to the main ones. Next vara vendidi idu adhe shape la varayano. Inga varche idu opposite ipdi potu innonu ipdi varayano. Then another, if you want to add you can add these two, but this is important. Kosi, you can draw this. So these two are optional for you. You can draw this much and just write river Ganges. Next question that they've asked is Mahanadi. So Mahanadi varchi in the area ungalku in the curve irukula inda idam neenga nyapam vechukanum. So again this is also like a question mark, but the reverse question mark. Ipdi pathina ipdi. Okay, then just draw one tributary like this. That's all. Ipo Ganges eppadi varanjom, mela paathu varanjom, adoda opposite vandu Mahanadi ipdi varayana. Okay, river Mahanadi. River Damodar is also asked sometimes. So river Damodar. Then let us come to the other side. In the side vandona there are 2 rivers. In the edam irukilla idukulliye and rendu river me varum. So the first one is river Narmada. Ipdi. Next vandu river Tapti adukku kizha. So idu rendu easy ah nyabam vechukolam. River Narmada. Next down is river Tapti. So we have done so many rivers now, and now let us move on to the South Indian rivers. So South Indian rivers varche 3 are there. Godavari. So divided. Little complicated. So let us see. Number generally understand pananona y irukla, y mari varum nyabam vechukonga. So this W is there, no, like a W. This area is Vijayawada. Okay, so in the edathila the first river it's going first ipdi mala podunga, inge ipdi potute idu. So this is Godavari. Krishna will be very easy. Again you have to remember y only. Even if you draw it like this, it is enough. So let us name the rivers. River Godavari. Then river Krishna. Then we come to the last river that is asked, that is river Kaveri. It is called as Ganges of South. Okay, so that's it. In Tamil Nadu la irukilla. So this is river Kaveri. CAUVERI அப்படி கூட சொல்வாங்க இல்லனா KAVERI இல்லனா KAVERY also they ask. So whatever it is, Kaveri adukku enna spelling ketalum idhu da river. Okay, so now let us have a recap of all the rivers that are flowing in India. So North Indian paakachi, the first major one is Indus. Indus eppadi varayano nyabam iruka? We got started here and this is the main one, and the main varayirada konja dark pannirken so that you will know it, because it is having 5 tributaries. We are adding the 5 tributaries. Last one vandu ipo இந்த Kashmir மேல இருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சோம்ல, இது டவுன்ல ஒன்னு வெச்சுக்கோங்க, அதுக்கு நடுவுல மிச்சம் 3 போட்டுடுங்க. Okay, next coming to Ganges. Ganges start here, next to Nepal you start here, and question mark adha adoda clue vandu ipdi vandittu you just draw one here and one here, then add these tributaries to it. Okay, next to Ganges itself is Damodar, river Damodar. Again another question mark river is Mahanadi. Okay, then let us go to some easy rivers. In the side vanditona romba easy, just ஒரு straight line da. Narmada tapti varchi konja ipdi keela vandu ipdi varanum adoda shape ku. Okay, then coming to this area, this Vijayawada area, no, where it is going down. So in the river Godavari, how to draw? First draw this line, then draw like this, and then in the shape ipdi maaradhilla inge inda or line ipdi potudunga. Then Krishna is very easy, you just draw like this and do it like this. Finally coming to river Kaveri, it has got a dent here. If you want you can add a delta, that's all. So these are all the rivers, but it doesn't stop with here. Suddenly lakes kuda kepanga. So and the lake kuda enna nadha namba paathalam. Important lakes vandu, first one is inga north la Kashmir ku vandinga Ular Lake. Ular Lake. Next Rajasthan ku poninga desert irukanga, but there is also a lake, and lake oda per vandu Sambar Lake. Sambar Lake. Then there are 3 lakes here on this side. They are important. First one vandu இந்த இடத்துல இருக்கு. Okay, Chilka Lake. Chilka Lake. Next again here Kolleru. The third one is very much in our Tamil Nadu, adu vandu Pulikat. And the last one on this side Vembanad. So totally we have learnt 6 lakes. அது என்னன்னா Ular Lake in Kashmir. Next Sambar Lake. இதுக்கு எப்படி நம்ம ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும்? இந்த மாதிரி நீங்க எப்பவுமே மேப் பிளாட்டிங் பண்றச்சே இப்படியே ஒன்னு எடுத்துக்கணும், இந்த ரெஃபரன்ஸும் எடுக்கணும். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி இந்த இடத்துல சாம்பார் லேக். இந்த 3 வந்து ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக இருக்கும் நம்மளுக்கு. இந்த தாமோதர் ரிவர் இருக்குல்ல, அங்கேயே ஒரு டென்ட் மாதிரி இருக்கும், அதனால தான் ஃபஸ்ட்டே காமிச்சேன். நான் பிளாட் பண்ணால் யூ won't know it. Chilka Lake, then near this W is Kolleru, then in Tamil Nadu, starting of Tamil Nadu is Pulikat, then the last one in Kerala. So you have so many rivers and all these lakes you have to learn. You may be thinking why I am telling these things. All this has been asked in the exam, so you learn all these things, children, and I hope you found this very interesting.